Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. This video will be a little bit different than my usual content, but the most amazing thing happened and I really want to share this story with you guys. Don't worry, there will be a drawing in this video, but to fully understand what this is all about, you really have to hear this first. On one of my latest videos, the one where I redraw one of my son's drawings, a robot on roller skates, I got this comment. As you can imagine, I was quite surprised, and I never heard of Right This Minute before. It's not on TV here in Belgium, so I had to Google it, and on their website I watched the full episode and I was very much impressed with this family-friendly, fun show. It's a daily show with a panel of 5 hosts and they show videos to each other and react to them. So I responded to Julie Levin that I was very much interested and I would like to talk about what she had in mind. She said they really liked my videos, especially the ones where I turned drawings of my son into finished illustrations, and they really would like to bring that story in their show. So we mailed back and forth, and long story short, the very next day I came home from work and I was scrolling to my emails on my phone and there was a mail of Julie Levin with the title, "Here's a story, I hope you like it." What? What story? What? So there was a link and I clicked on it. And there it was, it already had been featured on their show, and what an amazing job they did. It's a great story and you know what? Let's watch it.
Something I like about this show is that we get the opportunity to maybe shine a light on some talent that people may have missed. In this particular case, the YouTube channel is known as Smully Art.
Today I'm going to turn a drawing made by my 7-year-old son into a finished illustration.
He takes his kids' drawings and then realizes them with his talent.
This is my son Giel, and he created his own superhero.
Ooh, he's got a sword in one hand, he's got a mask, wild hair, cape, he can fly, laser eyes. Then, this is what Dad does.
Oh, man, that's spectacular.
He starts bringing the character, and then he starts adding the shading as well. And then, when he puts in the color, you get this.
Oh, wow.
There's that superhero kid.
This is really good stuff. Is he giving them voices, animating any of this?
That'd be a kind of cool next step.
You better draw a nice picture of me, okay? Okay, I'm on it.
This next one, it's sort of essentially like a mud monster. He starts drawing it. By the end of it, it looks basically like Swamp Thing from DC.
Wow, yeah. That is super cool. Yeah, and what a great way to foster the creativity of his son, too.
Yeah, and then this third one, Giel has designed a robot. You can see he's got kind of a claw. He's got these very specific colors. Dad gets to work once again, starts bringing it together. This character looks like a droid or something from the Star Wars universe. He adds more shading to it, gets the outlines perfectly done, again, adds a pop of color, and you end up with that.
He stays true to the original vision, which is cool.
I agree with you. You guys should drop them a subscribe. And he does also say in the description that if your kids have an illustration that you may want realized by him, he does accept them as well.
Who better to design these types of characters than the kids themselves and the imagination of the kids?
I would like to thank everybody at Right This Minute for making this happen, especially Julie Levin. You guys did an amazing job bringing the story about me and my son in your show. My son and I, we were over the moon with what we saw, so thank you very much. And I have a little surprise for you guys. I hope you like it. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put up new videos. It's every Friday. I would like to welcome all the new subscribers to this channel. Welcome. I hope we can have a lot of fun together. I really appreciate you guys if you are following me on this journey from the beginning or just as from now. I really appreciate you being here and watching this video. An artist without an audience is nothing. Without you guys, my drawings are just lines on a piece of paper. So thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!